let's come together and learn how to fold. The folding technique is a very important part of the baking world. Sometimes recipes don't have a rising agent, doesn't have baking powder, doesn't have baking soda, doesn't have anything. So how is it gonna puff up in the oven? Air is our friend when it comes to folding. If we don't fold correctly, our recipe that doesn't have a raising agent will just be like, whoa, it's folding time. So this is the initial mixture. We're just gonna start incorporating it just to have that first merge together. The first batch of the fold. Good spoonful. Now we're gonna fold using our spatula, and our spatula is gonna do all the work for us. I'm not holding it like really, just relax. Take a deep breath. Folding is relaxation. Folding is fun. I'm gonna hold my spatula and I'm gonna scrape the bowl from the side and then use my fingers. Twist, twist. I'm gonna go on the side, go around, and then boom, go around. Make my spatula move. We don't want to lose the air, so we want to do it as fast as possible, as gently as possible, and that's the key. Add the flour by batch and sift it in. We're gonna stop as soon as we stop seeing dry batches of flour in our mixture. With flour, it tends to sink at the bottom, so make sure whenever you turn, you scrape from the middle every once in a while. We are adding the last batch in.